Today I'm going to be solving a virtual Rubik's Cube on the official Rubik's app. A virtual cube is basically just a 3x3 on some device that you can control. There are lots of them out there, but the one on the Rubik's app I think is the best, and I'll explain why soon. So when we open the app, as you can see here, there's 3 options, and today we're going to be doing the virtual cube. So they have 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5. So I guess let's just start on the 2x2. So I can give myself 15 seconds of inspection, and let's see how fast I can solve this 2x2. Okay. So when you use 2 fingers, it does an entire cube rotation. Like that. Okay, I think I'm going to do green here. So let's see.
5, 4.
Oh wow, holy cow, that was actually a PBL skip. I did not expect to get a 599 on my first try. So basically, well, let me explain something. So basically, when you're solving a normal cube, your muscle memory always just flows since you're turning so fast, but you can only turn so fast on a virtual cube. So there are some algorithms that you can't do because you just forget them halfway through since you're not turning fast enough. It's the same reason that you can't do some algorithms one-handed. They're just not easy to remember when you're doing them slow. And a 599, by the way, is not a good time for me in real life. I average like 4.2 in real life, but for a virtual cube, that's actually very fast. So let's try it once more. Obviously, not going to get a faster time than that. Unless I get an even easier scramble, but I don't think that will happen. Alright, I'm going to do red here. The sound that this cube makes is absolutely amazing. Alright, I'll do one more 2x2 solve, and then I'll go over to the 3x3. Alright, we have a pretty easy green layer here, so I'll do that. Oh no, that's not good. Yeah, I messed up. Technically I'm doing this one-handed since I'm only using one of my fingers. Alright, so I'm really surprised that I got a 599 to start with, but let's just X out of this and go over to 3x3. Alright, so let's try this. Oh my gosh, the sounds on this thing are so amazing. Okay.
5, 4.
This is actually like, it's really fun. I've tried some other virtual cubes online, and they don't work very well, so they're not very fun to use. Oops, oh no, messing up this Y-perm. Don't know what I just did. What did I just do?
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
What the heck? So yeah, like I was saying about the muscle memory, I could not do that V-perm because I couldn't. Oh, and I just messed up this U-perm.
One eternity later.
Alright, so 142. I know that wasn't very good, and I can do better because I messed up PLL a few times. Wow, 178 moves. That's, okay, 1.7 TPS. So yeah, usually on a normal cube I have like, maybe 7 or 8 TPS, so can't turn as fast on these things. I bet there are some people that have mastered it and can do like 4 or 5 TPS though. Alright, let's see. Oops, I did a turn, and it started. Okay. Let's see if I can get sub 1 minute. Anti-soon. And a U-perm. 45 seconds. Alright, not bad. I wonder what like the world record for this is, if there is one. I'll try to find out later.
5, 4.
Okay, I have no idea what I'm
3,
doing.
2.
Oh no. Wait, no, messing this up. Alright, barely beat my last solve. We got a 44. So let's go to 4x4. So I have a feeling I'm not going to like 4x4 and 5x5 on this thing because it's just probably going to be a pain, but we'll find out. And also I'm not sure what will happen if I get parity Parody is just one of those really long algs that I can only remember when I'm turning fast, so we'll find out. Anyways. Oh, that's kind of satisfying. Alrighty. Oh no, OLL parody, let's go. That would have been a killer. Three minutes and 33 seconds. Alright. That was actually better than I thought I would do. Okay, just for kicks, I will do the 5x5. Let's see how long this takes. Man, that's just so satisfying. I'm really liking this app so far. Like, Rubik's, their software development or whatever is pretty good. Alright. And a G parent, but I'm just gonna do tulip. Alright, that took a long time. So overall, my favorite one is the 2x2, just because it's the smallest, so it's the best to be a virtual cube. The 3x3 is pretty fun though. Let's see. I'm gonna do red here. Oh, holy smokes. I actually just beat my PB on a solve that I wasn't even really trying on. Oh, that was actually 3 turns per second. That's not bad. So anyways, this has been fun. If you want to try it for yourself, then just go get the Rubik's app in the App Store. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button and like this video.